Yeah, g'day viewers. Ken here. Okay, Stonecode. Sorry about that. There's a bit of a swarm of bees here. I don't know how much you can see it. Yeah. There they are, they're swarming. Actually, you can see the drones right there. They're the ones that mate with the queen. Yeah, it's a nice little patch of bees. I was thinking about in a minute I might go and get a bucket and try to put them in it and put them in another hive. So when they're swarming like this, they don't sting. As you can see, I've got shorts and t-shirt on, so you know. Another drone up in there. You can see how big the drones are. The big blacky type different ones. Yeah, she looks like she might be roughly about the middle here. I might get a bucket and cut the small branch off here, put it under it and give it a good whack, and then put the lid on, seal them up. But yeah, they're all just buzzing around the air as well. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, buzzing around the air. And they're landing in the cluster there, so that means she's in there, the queen's in there. Good breeze today. So I'll see what I can do about that. Anyway, quick video. I shall go get a bucket and that in a minute. See what I can do about it. Might catch it. Alright, Uru, if you can't be good at it. Bye.